Welcome to Jetking, the top computer training facility in India, where we enable people to succeed in the fast-paced field of information technology. Jetking can help you succeed no matter your interest. It could be cloud computing, cybersecurity, networking, blockchain, and more. Jetking is here to lead you on your journey to success. Our expert instructors brings years of industry experience and passion for teaching to every classroom, ensuring that you receive outstanding training and practical insights relevant to today's IT landscape. We at Jetking are aware of how quickly the IT industry is changing. Our courses are therefore meticulously planned to provide you with the most up-to-date abilities and information required to succeed in the field.
Thanks to Jetking, I was able to enhance my skills and land my dream job in cybersecurity.
The hands-off training and guidance from the instructor are truly set Jetking apart from the other institutes.
We at Jetking don't just teach in the traditional classrooms. Our students can use their skills in real-world situations and develop a solid portfolio by taking part in hackathons, contests, and real-world projects. Multiple campuses across India, equipped with forefront facilities and resources, Jetking provides an immersive learning experience that prepares you for success in the fast-paced world of IT. So, are you ready to dive deeper into a fulfilling career in information technology? Then contact us or visit our website www.jetking.com. Thank you.